Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some groundbreaking news that literally just dropped a few hours ago. You might not have heard this yet, but trust me, you'll want to stick around. This isn't just another AI update, it's a game changer and it's going to blow your mind. First off, let's talk about something I mentioned in a previous video, Sakana AI. This system is pushing us into an era of recursive self-improvement, where AI models are not just learning, but are actually conducting research on themselves. Imagine an AI that improves its own algorithms, which in turn makes it better at improving itself. It's a self-perpetuating cycle of advancement, and it's leading us towards a future where scientific discovery could become fully automated. Sakana AI introduces the concept of the AI scientist. This isn't just a cool title, it's a comprehensive system designed to enable large language models, LLMs, to perform independent research. Picture this: multiple instances of LLMs, each generating research papers autonomously. The volume of academic output is about to skyrocket. We're talking about a future where new research papers could be generated every hour or even every minute. It's wild to think about how this will change the landscape of scientific research. So, how does this AI-driven research process work? Well, it's pretty detailed. The methodology includes generating a research plan, checking for novelty to ensure the idea hasn't been done before, scoring the idea, running experiments, and even having LLMs review the papers. This isn't just a rough draft, it's a full-fledged research process, from start to finish. The exciting part is that this system is open source, meaning other researchers and organizations can build on top of it. We could see a whole new wave of innovation coming from this, as people start experimenting with these tools. Now, here's where things get even more intriguing. Recently, there was what you might call a leak, though it's not exactly a leak in the traditional sense. Screenshots surfaced showing some internal subdomains from OpenAI, revealing mentions of scientist roles and other internal projects. These links included titles like Health Scientist Internal and Assistant API Scientist. What does this mean? Well, it suggests that OpenAI is actively working on these projects right now. These could potentially be specialized agents designed to tackle specific tasks, like health diagnostics, which we already know LLMs are getting really good at. Given OpenAI's history of secrecy, it's fascinating to get even this small glimpse into what they're working on. Switching gears a bit, let's talk about the Luma Dream Machine 1.5. This is a new text-to-video model that's set to launch next week. What makes Luma Dream Machine stand out is its affordability and the control it offers users. You can start with one image and end with another, giving you a lot more flexibility in content creation. And because it's cheaper than other models, we're likely to see an explosion of AI-generated video content. Whether you love it or hate it, AI is here to stay, and it's going to keep evolving. Now, for the big news that just dropped a few hours ago, a new record has been set on the ARC-AGI benchmark, with a score of 46%. If you're not familiar, the ARC benchmark is a tool designed to measure an AI's ability to reason about problems it hasn't seen before. The human baseline for this benchmark is 85%, so hitting 46% is a significant milestone. Why is this important? Well, traditional benchmarks often measure how well an AI can recall information it was trained on, but ARC is different. It measures how well AI can reason, adapt, and solve new, unseen tasks. This is the kind of progress that brings us closer to AGI, artificial general intelligence. It's not just about having more data or more compute power, it's about developing new reasoning techniques. The exciting part is that as these benchmarks improve, they pave the way for scaling these techniques across existing LLMs. This means we're moving away from just increasing data and compute power and focusing more on improving the way AI thinks and reasons. Some experts, like Francois Chollet, argue that LLMs alone won't get us to AGI, they're a dead end. But others believe that LLMs are still a crucial part of the journey. The recent jump in the ARC score is proof that new methods of reasoning, like chain of thought and neurosymbolic AI, are making a difference. We're not just throwing more data at the problem, we're fundamentally changing how AI approaches challenges. So what does all this mean? We're in an era of rapid AI advancements, where each new development brings us closer to a future where AGI is not just a concept, but a reality. The path is still long, but with breakthroughs like these, it's clear that we're making real progress. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the latest in AI, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future updates. I've got more exciting content coming your way, and trust me, you won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Leave a comment below with your thoughts on these developments. Are you excited about the future of AI, or does it make you a bit uneasy? Let's get the conversation started, and as always, stay curious.